You found race cars in the hamper, you found Legos in your shoes, and you found giggling, squirming lumps in your bed and thought, this is the life I choose. You've given all the lives to pick from, all the goals and dreams and plans. You choose race cars in the hamper, you choose to hold little hands, you choose to hold little hands. You found strength to get up once again for the 5th time tonight. You found wise words and tactics to break up that sibling fight. You found the lost stuffed bear left in the park just in the nick of time. You found innocence and hope and trust in the depth of your child's eyes. Oh, and you found surprises on Mother's Day and so many days in between. Dandelions and new pet beetles and grass stains thick and green. You found the rush of relief in that hour when the fever finally breaks. You found out that when their hearts are hurting, yours just aches and aches. Oh, yours just aches and aches. And you found out that you wouldn't trade these busy, precious days. As she kneels to say her simple words, you found God hears her when she prays. Well, you found out that parent meeting, it was actually last week. You found out that junior high school math is really harder than it seems. You found muddy shoes, high cell phone bills, and that he just won't use a comb. You found so much joy in watching him make good choices on his own, make good choices on his own. And you found out that you wouldn't trade these quick years for anything. Even though you fall into bed exhausted, you found out that your heart sees. If given all the lives to pick from, all the many dreams and plans, you choose race cars in the hamper, you choose to hold little hands. Oh, you choose race cars in the hamper, you choose to hold little hands, you choose to hold little hands.